Hi, my name is Olga, and in this tutorial, we'll go over how you can track the location of your mobile workforce and ensure people are at the right job sites. First, you need to enable location tracking in Workspace Settings here. Then, you'll get the Activities page in the sidebar. The page lists all your team members, but they currently don't have any location recorded yet. To record the location, you and your team will need to install Clockify mobile app, which is available for both Android and iPhone. Once you install and open the app, you'll be asked to allow Clockify to record your location. Also, be sure that you've enabled GPS service on your phone here. Now we can start tracking time. When you're at a job location, all you have to do is start the timer and select the project, and maybe add a note in the description field. The location is automatically recorded and sent as soon as you start the timer. And when you stop the timer, your location will be recorded again. Also, if you significantly change your location while the timer is running, say a few blocks, your location will be recorded again. You can see that the location is currently being recorded here. If you cancel the timer or delete a time entry, locations associated with that time will be deleted too. If you don't have an internet connection, the time entry along with the location will be stored on your phone and will be uploaded to Clockify once you get online. You can check all your recorded locations in the web app on the Activity page in the Locations tab. Regular users can see only their locations, and admins can see everyone's locations. The map shows everyone's last known location. In the table, next to each person's name, you'll see when their last location was recorded, usually when they stop the timer. If they have a red dot like this, it means they still have the timer running on that location. And if there's a hyphen, it means they haven't recorded any location that day. When you hover over a person, you'll see their location on the map. And if you click on them, you'll get a replay of their route and will see all their recorded locations that day, as well as their timestamps. You can always delete a recorded location manually, like this. If you wish to see locations for yesterday or a day before, you can navigate to other days here. You can view locations for the past 7 days. And all locations older than 7 days are deleted forever automatically. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about time tracking and reporting.